Muhammad Murad Ibrahim. Sir, I have a issue like the same thing what we have done now. In
Hmm.
that I have done the OBYC setting WRX.
Hmm.
For me, it's taking me GRIR because GRIR account. It's not taking SRIR because it's taking only one account there. Previously I have done the configuration for only one account. That is GRIR account. I have given the GRIR account as 1,50,000.
Okay.
So when I'm trying to update the OBYC GBB WRX, it's taking only one account only, either SRIR account or GRIR account. So how to change this?
Can you show it in the system?
Okay, sure. Sir, I'm sharing my screen, so
Hmm.
I think you all can see.
Okay.
In that
Go
I'm
back.
giving.
Go to the
Uh,
rules. Go to the rules.
okay, rules.
Go to the
Okay.
rules. Above you have rules. Select valuation modifier valuation class. Save it.
Even though I selected this also, sir, but it's not getting.
Do it now.
1,50,000. This is for GRI, yeah?
Okay.
1 lakh. This is for SRI, yeah.
Give the valuation class. You don't want valuation class. You want to keep it blank.
Yeah, because before I did not give, so
Keep the
I
blank. It will applicable for all. But how
okay,
SAP will understand it's a GRIR, it's a SRIR. Valuation class is mandatory, right?
okay, it's mandatory. Okay, for this also for this it's blank, right, sir?
3,200, right? For service.
But why you are taking this valuation class? You have created your own valuation classes, Ibrahim?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Valuation classes already have created for raw materials and finished goods.
Who told you are from ERP Hub or some other institution?
Yeah, some other institute, not from here.
So you are FICO only, right? You are
Yeah,
aiming
yeah,
for people.
yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't create valuation classes. Why you are wasting your time in that? That is activity.
So we
Okay.
should not create a valuation class, sir.
They will create people. Our time should be on FICO activities, not on activities.
Okay,
Okay.
then I
Be,
have to delete this or
it's okay. Now what's your issue?
now it's allowing after giving this valuation class. Before
Hmm.
before
Before it will
I
not. Before it
before
will
I
not
did not.
allow. Before it will not allow. How it will allow? If you are giving two blanks means with different GL accounts, what SAP has to understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Save it. So you are from other institution, right? But no
Yeah, yeah,
problem. You got our drive.
yeah, yeah. I got it.
Please check our FIMM integration step, please.
Okay, fine.
Okay, it will be a little bit easy for you. Okay, but it's
Okay,
okay
fine.
what you are doing. My intention is valuation classes standard is there 3,000, 3,100, 7,920. That is enough. Again, no need to create.
Okay, we have to use standard one, sir,
Standard one only. Okay,
not our own defined.
no need to create.
Okay,
Okay, in
sure.
real time, people will create. If you are creating in real time, also they will not allow you.
Okay, okay, sir.
In that case, we should not waste our time, right?
Okay.